So hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to see how to change a laptop lid open action in Windows 11. So go for it. Search for CMD in the Windows search bar, right click on command prompt and select run as administrator and copy the command provided in the video description. Paste the command into command prompt window using Ctrl plus V and press enter to execute the command. Now configure the power setting. So search for edit power plan in the Windows bar and open it. Now click on change plan setting, then click on change advanced power setting. Now expand the power button and lid, expand lid open action which set the desired behavior like turn on display or do nothing, and click apply and then OK to save the change. This process allows you to customize how your laptop behaves when you open the lid. Thank you.